Hello guys, Slotslab178 today. We have something really special. Do you think this is a multi-pack? Sticker multi-pack? No, it's a premium gold single multi-pack. Yes, we are going to open the most expensive pack and the rarest pack in the world. Comes with one premium limited edition, 3 premium gold limited editions, limited edition in here, and this pack. I've also got 2 things really special today. I'm just really excited to open them both. This premium gold pack and also the really special rare stickers that you can get for the World Cup in Kellogg's cereal boxes, and you can get sticker packets inside there. So first off, I'm going to open this multi-pack, which I'm going to try open my best because I'm going to take this to races today. It's open. It's open. Nearly. Barely. God, it's like ages to open that. And as you can see, it's an official licensed product because of the sticker there. Here it is. This is the single multi-pack. Most expensive and rarest pack in the world. There is it. There it is. Oh my gosh, you don't understand how excited I am right now. I'm going to open a premium gold pack. Oh my word. Here it is in all its glory. Look at it, it's nearly as big as my hand. There it is, it has got Ramos, Messi, Ronaldo, Alves and Cruz on it. And it doesn't have any odds, but it tells you about everything there. And wow, let's open it. Let's open it. Wow, I'm really excited to open this. Might be a bit hard to open that. I'm shivering. I'm shaking. I'm so excited. I want to keep this pack as well, so I'm going to open it as neatly as possible. Here it is. I'm getting into it. The rarest and most expensive pack in the world. I'm opening right now. And straight away, we have got these 3 cards. I'm going to leave them there. But here we do have, inside it, the premium pack. Oh, this is just getting better and better. Rakitic, Robin, Mikel, Neymar, Aguero, Rodriguez, Lewandowski, Salah, and Hernandez right there. And it's just the same as the other pack really. It's a really nice design again. It's got the gold here, and so is this. Lovely design. Let's open this pack. We should get a limited edition in here too. Again, I want to keep this, so I'm going to open it as neatly as possible, which I have done. And oh, well, let's start off with the base first. So we do have Hamid El-Neni, Thomas Lemar there, Antonio Rudiger there, El Kabari, this guy, and then this guy. So the limited edition we do get is a James Rodriguez limited edition card, which is really good there. So we'll put that there, and then we do have Perisic Game Changer, Sisto Rising Star. What's this one going to be? Boom! And Yuri Tillmans Rising Star, which is unfortunately a swap, but still, I'm not bothered because this is fantastic. Then we have got, boom, the online limited edition card. I'm not going to give you the code for, but it's 20 coins. It's absolutely fantastic there. That's brilliant. Then we do have, boom, Dani Alves Premium Gold Limited Edition card. There. Then we do have 2 more there. Right. Goodbye. Fantastic.